JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Airpho AR-W220, 300 Mbps wireless and router, unboxing and demonstration. 300 megabits per second wireless speed is ideal for heavy bandwidth consuming or interruption-sensitive applications like online gaming, internet calls, and even HD video streaming. 2x5 dBi external antennas provide maximum omnidirectional wireless coverage and reliability. Parental controls allow you to manage network usage and access for everyone on your account, protecting your children from inappropriate online activities. Provides guests with internet access while ensuring the safety of your network. Package contents: installation guide, 12-volt DC power adapter, AR-W220 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.